Hello sir, now this one is a Bluetooth wireless scanner. Okay, now I test the wireless the function. Now it's wireless the function is touch the base the USB port. Okay, now this light have the blue, green, is red. This light is okay. Okay, now is test wireless the function. Wireless function is no problem, right? Okay, I also delete is this text the Bluetooth function. Bluetooth function is I change this USB. Okay, that's no base. Scan the setting code menu is setting the setting code. Okay, scan the Bluetooth HID the model. Okay, number 1 scan this number 1 is number 2 is scan this code. Okay, this like you see, open the Bluetooth computer the let me see the Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth NIC is barcode scanner HID. Barcode scanner HID. You see, that's okay. Okay, it's text. Okay, now it's text. You see, now this Bluetooth the function. So now I setting the setting code the picture is for you. Okay.